Kumo. Wet fabric and lay it flat. Pinch and bind fabric with rubber bands or twine to create circular patterns. The tighter you secure the pinch, the more defined the circle will be. The height of the pinched fabric will determine the radius of the circle. Repeat to create desired look. Now it's time to prepare your dye bath. Fill a plastic container with 1.5 gallons of hot water. Add 1 cup of salt. Add dye and mix well. Add bound fabric to dye bath. Leave it in the dye bath for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove from dye bath and do not unbind the fabric. Rinse fabric with cold water. Now it's time to use ColorStay Dye Fixative. Fill a plastic container with 1.5 gallons of hot water. Add 2 ounces of ColorStay Dye Fixative and mix well. Stir on and off for 20 minutes. Remove bound fabric, rinse in cool water, and remove bindings.